Setting up the Polycom Eagle Eye Producer with Real Presence Group Series is a quick and easy way to enhance your video experience. First, take your Eagle Eye 4 camera and screw the small mounting posts into the 4 holes on the bottom. Then place it on top of Eagle Eye Producer. This helps the camera stay aligned at all times. Next, take the small HDCI cable and connect the smaller end to the Eagle Eye 4 camera, making sure to tighten the connections. Connect the other end to the camera input port on Eagle Eye Producer. It's the one that's second from the left. The other small cable included in the box is an adapter cable. Connect the larger end to the camera output port on the Eagle Eye Producer, the one on the far left. Then take the standard HDCI cable that came with your Eagle Eye 4 camera or Real Presence Group Series system bundle and connect one end to that adapter and the other end to your Real Presence Group system. Connect the power adapter. Place the camera system above the displays on a shelf or a camera mount. Don't place it too far back or the Eagle Eye Producer camera view may be blocked. Next, power up the Real Presence Group system. Depending on what version of software is on the camera, an automatic software update may be initiated. To calibrate the camera, access the Administrator web interface on the Real Presence Group system, locating the camera settings, and select Automatic Image Calibration. Or simply make sure the self view is on and hold down the home button on the remote control for 5 seconds. Once the blue light starts quickly flashing, adjust the camera up or down to ensure the room is in view. For more details, please see the Real Presence Group Series Administrator's Guide.